In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your USDC base deposit address on Binance using the desktop website. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step to ensure you feel confident every step of the way. First, head over to your web browser and navigate to Binance.com. Make sure you're already logged into your account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your login details to gain access. Once you're on the Binance dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You're looking for an icon that represents your profile. Go ahead and hover over it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to click on Wallet and then choose the option that says Fiat and Spot. Next, we need to locate USD Coin, or USDC, within the wallet interface. To make this easier, go to the search bar that's prominently displayed. Simply type USDC into this search bar, and the system will filter the contents of your wallet to highlight any mention of USD Coin, making it easy to find. Once you've found USDC on your list, it's time to initiate the deposit process. Look for the Deposit button right next to USDC and click on it. This will take you into the next crucial step, which is selecting the appropriate network for your deposit. Here, we're interested in using the Base network, so proceed by selecting Base from the list of network options. At this stage, you might receive a prompt asking you to confirm your understanding of the risks associated with the Base network. It's important to read through these details if it's your first time using this network, to ensure you're making a well-informed decision. Once you've reviewed and are comfortable with the information, confirm your selection to proceed. Now, the highlight of this process is here. Your unique USDC base deposit address will appear on your screen. This string of characters is the key to making your deposit successfully, so pay close attention. Binance conveniently provides a copy icon next to the address. So simply click on this icon to automatically copy the entire address safely to your clipboard. With the address in hand, you're all set to use it for any deposits on the Base network. Typically, you'd paste this address into the required field when initiating a withdrawal or deposit from another wallet or platform. Always ensure the address is pasted correctly, as any discrepancies could result in funds being lost or misdirected. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained your USDC base deposit address on Binance. By following these steps carefully, you can manage your deposits with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.